I've said this before, and I'll say it again. AMD loves PyTorch unconditionally. Yeah, give it up. Both are open ecosystems, and we're built with the same philosophy in mind. And today we're going to talk about empowering developers with ROCm everywhere, from client to cloud. Our mission is AI innovation for every developer. It's great to see so many developers, creators, innovators here today. People shaping the next era of AI under one roof. But what we'd really like is all of you to be unshackled by vendor lock-in, be able to move at the speed at which you can innovate, not at the speed at which we can execute. And to that, we're forming a core mission to be, how do we get innovation unlocked for every developer? And it is a simple yet deeply ambitious mission. To be able to innovate at your speed and for you to execute, it is it's a deeply important artifact that we are reorganizing our values towards. So we believe innovation should not be limited to a select few. It should be open, accessible, and in the hands of every developer. So ROCm isn't just software. ROCm is a philosophy. It's a philosophy of open. It's a philosophy of collaboration. It's a philosophy of innovation together. So to that extent, let's see what we're doing to make that happen. Developers want one thing, and that's speed. Speed to get started, speed to iterate, speed to deploy. Because in today's world, speed is the moat. The faster you can move from idea to execution, the faster you can innovate, the faster you can outpace competition, and the faster you can redefine what is possible, is how you move and execute in the AI era. So what we have done is we've rethought the entire ROCm stack all the way from core libraries, runtimes, how we package it, how we install it, and we're making it really, really easy for you to consume, use, all the way from client to the cloud. One of the good things about ROCm, and just like PyTorch, is it's fully open. And we are increasingly investing a lot of time to make it consumable by everyone, by every developer, so that all our PRs, our documentation, our roadmaps, everything is in the open, so that you can see what we see, and we can collaborate together to move the industry forward. We have also been immensely focused on smooth, out-of-the-box experience. We've had a rocky past, so we want to make it good. So performance is one aspect, but also installation, how things fail when they do fail, because they do fail, how we recover from them. And as we get into clusters that are large, we are building predictive health monitoring, et cetera. And all of this is open source. So we can all do this together and move the industry forward. So there are 3 or 4 things that we want to anchor on. We want to be performant. We want to be robust to failures, how we handle crashes, et cetera. We want to be inclusive. We want innovation at the software layer. We want innovation at the ecosystem layer. We want partners to come in and innovate on areas that they think they can move the ball forward. And we want to make it accessible across the cloud, client platforms. So we started the AMD Dev Cloud, and I think we're at 95% plus utilization in the Dev Cloud at all times. And we're going to drastically increase that. So it's just a click. If you have a GitHub ID, you can get access to an AMD Instinct class GPU. But of course, you can get a Ryzen Max 395 Strix Halo, which runs ROCm now on both Windows and Linux to do your builds locally. And it runs the state-of-art models at I think 40, 50 tokens a second, which is good for local AI. And I just want to kind of wrap it all up into 2 key pieces as the way forward as we see it. We see it open, and we see it together, right? And so we want to be able to imagine, build, develop, and deploy with AMD, with an open source stack that we can jointly innovate on, from the client to cloud. And of course, the community aspect is also super important for that. So come join us, and we're looking forward to working with you all and the PyTorch, the broader PyTorch community. Thank you.